Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 55 Olds 88. Nice old car, an older restoration, but very nice shape. Bumper all looks good. There's a little bit of chrome coming off right there. You'll see a few imperfections here and there. I suppose maybe some solvent pop. It's hard to see. There you can kind of see it, them little speckles there. I mean, outside it looks fine. I got it inside under fluorescent lights to try to show you everything so you know what you're getting. But that seems to, yellow seems to have that solvent pop in it. There you can see it up on the roof. A little bit in the darker green also. Both sides got just a little bit of that right there, not bad. So just a good driver quality car. Outside, you're probably not going to see most of that. Most of the chrome looks good. A little bit of pitting here, but not bad. You know, for a car that's 45, 70 years old, pretty darn nice. Same deal there, a couple little specks. But nice, solid, runs, drives good. There's an imperfection right there. It's been touched up and right there. So pretty nice old car, nice and affordable. Don't see as many Oldses as you do the Chevys, so kind of cool that way. 605-695-7391.